When you are questioned in a pretrial deposition in a medical malpractice case, will it ever benefit you if you start arguing with the defense attorney who is asking you questions? Would you like to know the answer? Come join me on this walk on this deserted island as I share with you the answer to that question. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. The short answer is no, it will never benefit you to go ahead and get into a verbal argument with the opposing attorney. Why not? You feel like you're being tortured. You're there for hours and hours being asked hundreds and hundreds of questions by the opposing attorney. The opposing lawyer in this particular instance tends to be prodding you and poking you and has a nasty, sarcastic attitude as he's asking you these questions. It would appear as if this defense attorney does not believe your answers. The defense attorney does not believe what you are saying. So now you are getting more and more uncomfortable to the point where he now asks a question, you reach your breaking point, and you start arguing with the attorney. You start yelling at him. And now it escalates, and the volume level escalates, and you are furious. And the defense attorney sits back with a stupid grin on his face, and now he loves this. He loves it. Why? Because now you are rambling, you are angry, you are talking extensively, and the court reporter is taking all this down. Now, the one thing the court reporter can't do is record the attitude that's going on. The court reporter can't record the temperature in the room about what just happened. But you can't take it anymore. You cannot tolerate this attorney's questioning. You think he's nasty, you think he's obnoxious, and you've had it up to here. It's already stressful for you having to relive the facts of this case. It's very upsetting for you. And now this guy has triggered and pushed all of your buttons. You feel you had absolutely no choice but to explode, let it all out on this guy. And now all he's doing is sitting back and taking it all in. In fact, he's letting you rant extensively. Why is he doing that? Because he knows that the more you talk, the more information he's gathering, and he knows that at some point, some of it will be helpful for him and his defense of this case. One of the key things you have to remember as you go into a deposition is, if there are problems with the attorney, the opposing lawyer who is asking you questions, it is your lawyer who should be dealing with that attitude. It is your lawyer who should be confronting the opposing lawyer about his nasty questions, about his sarcasm, and anything else that may come up. If the questions are inappropriate, your lawyer will do everything possible, or should be doing everything possible, to make an objection, to put it on the record, to record the fact that this attorney is being sarcastic, obnoxious, nasty in his attitude. Once that's on the record, now things might change, because now everybody's going to be held accountable. In this hypothetical example, it is you who became so frustrated that you actually started screaming and yelling at the opposing attorney, when in fact it should have been your attorney who should be taking care of this. You should be focused solely on the questions being asked, not pay attention to the attitude or how the attorney comes across as sarcastic. Focus on the content of what he's asking you, and disassociate yourself, if possible, with the manner in which he's asking those questions and your particular answers. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share this with you because my wife is busy picking seashells on this deserted island, and I wanted to help you open your eyes about what really happens in these medical malpractice cases, these accident cases, and even these wrongful death cases in New York. You know, I realize you likely have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen in New York, but you have not yet started a lawsuit and are thinking of doing so, but still have questions that need to be answered, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. You know, I answer questions like yours every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a fantastic day.